Hey, this is Jake Newton with Palm Peak Leads. I spoke with Becca earlier and she said I could send you this video. I just wanted to send you a video to show you how you can get your website to rank number one when somebody searches for your services so it can potentially bring you a lot more business. So I'm going to talk about three things in this video, content, citations, and backlinks. So the first thing I want to talk about is content. Content is anything on a page in your website. On the home page, a good rule of thumb is to have 1,500 words of content. That gives you plenty of room to put in your keywords and keyword phrases. You generally want to have one keyword about every 100 to 150 words. So it just gives you plenty of room to get them in there without overstuffing because that hurts you in the search engines. So your website's it's a nice website. There's just not enough content, unfortunately. The search engines they don't really care how nice your website is. You could have the nicest website out there and it doesn't matter if it doesn't have the content to get it ranked. So the second thing I want to talk about is citations. So I just went in Google and typed in appliance repair Salt Lake City, and this is what it brought up. Up here is a Google guarantee. It's a pretty new thing. If you don't have it, I would suggest getting it. You just put your information in with Google and they verify it, and then your business can be up here in the Google guarantees. The next spot is the map pack, and this is what when somebody types in appliance repair Salt Lake City, it brings this up, or if they type in appliance repair near me, it will bring this up. And this is where citations come in. A citation is anything on the internet that lists your business, like Yellow Pages, Yelp, LinkedIn, Facebook, anything that has your business address and phone number in it. So, what you would do to get your business ranked up here in the top in the map pack is just I would go in, I would find out what citations these guys have, and I would copy that, and then I would add a lot more just to overpower these guys and just make your business be number one in the map pack. So you would get a lot more business because most people just click on the first thing they see there. The next part is the organic section, and this is where backlinks come into play. So I have a tool that I like to use called Ahrefs, and it just kind of gives you an idea of where your website's at, how it's ranking, the keywords that are used, the backlinks that you have. So right here is the URL. That's like the trust that the search engine has in your website, and this is the power that your website's getting. So you have 27 domains giving you 367 backlinks, and it's giving you this. So if I go onto your competitor, this is their website. Still, just not enough content. It would be pretty easy to outdo these guys. And if I go onto their website on Ahrefs, that same tool, they have 25 URL and a 6 with the power, and they only have 119 domains giving them referring domains giving them 532 backlinks. So it would be really easy to go in here and find the domains they have that are giving them the most power because not every backlink is created equally. There's a lot that are spammy and there's a lot that just don't give you much power like this. This is zero. It's not doing anything for them. So you would go in here and find the domains that are giving them the most power and you would copy them. And then again, we would go and we would add a lot more to overpower them and just get your website to rank number one when somebody searches for your services. I can go on here and I can see the keywords that you're getting found for, like appliance repair, Salt Lake City, you're in 16th place. That's the bottom of the second page. And that's 250 people searching for that every month. So you're potentially losing out on a lot of business. If you go over here and look, and I can go on their keywords, and they have the same thing. If I go down here and find appliance repair Salt Lake City 250, they're getting 19 clicks a month for that. So if you get 19 clicks a month for that, appliance repair is usually somebody that's wanting that service right when they search for it. So if you got 8 of those customers that clicked on your website, that would bring you a lot more profit. So anyways, that's pretty much it. If you like what I said, I'd love to get on a call with you and see what your goals and what you want to do with your business. And if not, go ahead and use the tips that I've gave you for yourself and just let me know how they work for you. Alrighty, thank you. Bye.